We used to do comedy up there, y'all. That's the owner right there, picture. These are the shrimp tacos, y'all, at Kilkenny. Let's check it out, man. Let's go for it.
Gonna be a surprise to some of y'all.
But for those that always be like, you didn't get no fries. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in Newark, New Jersey, off of Central Avenue. And I'm about to go across the street to this spot, man. It's an old bar called Kilkenny's. And I'm gonna go in there and check out their shrimp tacos. It's supposed to be really good. I've had food from there before. I used to get the mussels, man. But let's go in and check out some shrimp tacos. Got some folks in there waiting for me now. Here at Kilkenny's on Central Avenue and Halsey Street in Newark, New Jersey. We used to do comedy up there, y'all. That's the owner right there, picture. Passed away not too long ago. Let's go in here. If they got music, it's a done deal. That's the bar right there, y'all. That's what it is. Old school. We gonna go in the back, man. I got an old friend of mine. How y'all doing? Got an old friend of mine waiting back here for me, maybe. Maybe, where he go? Where you at? You down here? You sitting in the back or by the bar? Okay. Okay. So yeah, he's sitting over here, man. Let's see what it is, man. There it is, man. I know one thing. These are the shrimp tacos, y'all, at Kilkenny. Right away, they got that jalapeno right on top of them, man. I can smell the fresh onions. They got some, what they call those, red onions in there? Got some tomatoes. Got that lettuce, man. Look at that, man.
And they got that hickory dickory dock sauce.
Oh, there's some type of wizard sauce.
It's at
I
the
want
bottom,
some
like
extra. That's what it's called? Hickory dickory? What's the sauce called?
What?
The sauce that's on it, what's it called?
It's like aioli sauce.
Aioli? Yeah.
It's a hickory dickory dock to me, bro.
Ron said it's hickory dickory dock sauce. Hold on, let's see what it is. You had these before, right? Mm-hmm. So that's why. Look, if this filmmaker right here says it's good, and he come back and spend his money on it, I already know. Yeah. Let's check it out, man. Let's go for it. Oh yeah.
Get a moment. Just want to order, fries.
Order fries?
Yeah, thank you.
And can I get a side of sauce? That's on here, thanks.
Hickory dickory dock.
He called it the hickory dickory dock sauce, man. Oh, look, I'm dropping. Y'all know how I am, man. I gotta pull this. The lettuce is dropping off. I gotta pull this over here, man. This is what it is. I just want to show y'all inside here, man. I'm gonna pull one of these shrimp off, right? Look at that. That shrimp is not small. What are these, grilled too?
Yeah.
Nice and steamy. Let's put this lettuce back on top of there. We're at Kilkenny's, man, here in Newark, New Jersey. Mm-hmm.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a cilantro aioli, right? Tastes like?
Tastes like cilantro's in here. It got the lettuce, man. I haven't bitten into the hot pepper yet, but I am very excited and looking forward to that. I'm gonna just pull it off. There we go. That hot spice.
But if you want it to last long on the whole, what you do is break the thing and put it on 2 halves and have to the whole thing. So now you just,
I think I bit off too much.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's a bit much. Put all the seeds in that part you ate.
You want a small
No.
fries or large?
Large. You have some, right?
Ron just ordered a large fry, y'all. I got 3 tacos here. How much were they?
I think it's 12, 13 bucks, something like that.
It's like 12, 13 bucks for this. I got some seltzer water. A lot of ice in there though. And it is hot outside, but
I could have did with a little less ice. Uh-oh, did I squirt?
No, you know what they're doing with that ice.
I know where that ice come from. Look, man. It's the real deal. Y'all know I bit into that jalapeno, man. It wasn't no joke. I got the aioli sauce here, y'all. I'm gonna take that piece of shrimp off right there and dip it in the aioli sauce. Look at this. That sauce is delicious.
Yeah, let me get a little for you.
I had dipped it in. I ain't double dipped.
It's all right. It's one little topping on it.
Around using my, that's my homie, y'all. Filmmaker.
Right here. It's my brother right here.
Filmmaker Ron.
TV.
I met him. We were shooting a film called Corners. With actor Tobias Trevelyan. Y'all have seen that video when we went to Shawnee's in Staten Island. That was one of the best restaurants we went to. So you definitely want to check that out. Shawnee's in Staten Island with Matt DV.
Oh, man. Oh, extra sauce was the one. I need to start doing
I
that.
know.
I need to start
I
doing
know.
that.
Y'all heard him? He said the extra sauce like really like,
Took it there. It reminded you why you liked
'Cause
it in
it's-
the first place.
with just a hint of sauce, it was delicious. But now when you add the little extra sauce, it's like delicious to the third power.
Need to go in.
That's it, man. I'm going to finish this video off, sit here and chop it up with my homie Ron. We haven't seen each other for a minute. Yeah, it's been several weeks. We saw each other in the park, but this your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. But you're with the right cats now. Love you, cats.
Love you all. Love you, my TV.
Why you touching my hand, y'all? Now I gotta go wash my hands. He talking about COVID. Peace. We about to get into this. These are delicious, y'all. Shrimp tacos. And we'll put the price up. Well, yeah, maybe we'll put the price up here. If not, it'll be at the end, so I'm like pointing down, there's nothing down there. Peace. This is gonna be a surprise to some of y'all. That's a big old thing of fries. That's the large, y'all. We see you laughing saying we're full already. But for those that always be like, you didn't get no fries. Yo, these are good fries. Look at I like the crispiness on them, see? It's like, you feel me? See how that little crispiness on there? Like they dipped them in something.
Yeah, there's something in there.